A shell mesh is created which will be used to guide the solid mesh creation. To create the shell mesh, the Auto Mesh panel is used. The smaller surfaces on the side of the solid are shell meshed with an element size of 1.5 and a mesh type of quads. The three curved surfaces on the solid are then also meshed with quads and an element size of 1.5. Next, the large surface on the round feature is meshed. To mesh the remainder of the round feature, the ruled panel is used. The entity selector is set to lines, and then the line on the circular feature is selected. Next, node list is selected, and then the nodes opposite to the selected line are selected. The mesh is created with the Mesh Without Surface option. Create is selected to create the shell mesh. Return is selected to accept the mesh. Next, the Edges panel is used to find duplicate nodes that need to be equivalenced. First, the component is selected and then Preview Equivalence is clicked. Notice that one pair of nodes on the left edge were not found. The tolerance is increased to 0.1 and then Preview Equivalence is selected again. This time, all of the nodes were found, so Equivalence is selected. The next step is to associate the new nodes to the surface. To do this, Mesh, Edit Nodes is selected from the menu bar. The surface is selected and then the nodes are selected using the By Face option. "195 nodes are selected. Associate is then selected to associate the selected nodes and surface that fall within the tolerance of 0.1. 25 nodes were associated to the selected surface. The final step before solid meshing is to shell mesh the large surface on the side of the solid using the Auto Mesh panel. The surface is selected and then Mesh is clicked. The key areas of the geometry have now been shell meshed, and the model is now ready for solid meshing.